Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok message problem. So first thing you wanna do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then wait a few seconds and disable it again, and then go back to the settings again, open the apps manager, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find TikTok. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Click on TikTok. Now this is the app information settings on my phone. All what you want to do here is click on the notifications management and make sure to enable all the notifications like this. After you enable all the notifications, now you have to go back and click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions also, and then click on this force stop and reopen TikTok. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.